Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Jobber and Workiz, two popular tools designed to help service business with scheduling, invoicing, and more in 2025. If you're looking to streamline your operations and wondering which platform fits your needs, I'll break down what each has to offer. Jobber is known for its initiative service and solid scheduling features. It makes managing clients, dispatching terms, and automating invoicing straightforward. One that stands out is the Jobber communication tools. You can send codes, appointment reminders, and receipts easily, helping keep customers in the loop. Plus, it integrates with well payment gateways, making a payment collection smoothly. Workiz, on the other hand, it focuses on powerful scheduling and communication with a strong emphasizing and a field service teams. Its mobile apps including GPS tracking, job status updates, and team messaging, helping keep everyone coordinated in real time. Workiz also offers robust invoicing and payment features, along with call tracking and lead management to boost your business growth. Both platforms support integration with popular accounting software, but Workiz tends to offer more advanced tools for managing field operation and customer interaction. Pricing-wise, Jobber is great for small to mid-sized teams looking for an easy-to-use platform, while Workiz caters well to business that want more advanced field service management features. So if you want a user-friendly tool focused on scheduling and customer communication, Jobber is a strong pick. But if you need more detailed team tracking and lead management, Workiz could be the better choice. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to choose between Jobber and Workiz, be sure to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more service business software reviews. Catch you in the next video.